Hit. Ah, nice one. Hey, but good call, dude. Two, one on right, one on left. Hey, can you switch hands?
He's friendly.
Friendly?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're good up here. I'm thirsty. Pink? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know.
I see him.
Okay, yeah, I see him. Hey, pink! 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 Let's try.
Man! No! Excuse me, sir.
Looking good. If you can switch hands, it'd be great. You can keep left. Yeah, I hate switching left. Do you know how many guys we got, enemies? Sal, I think we have an enemy LMG to your right. An LMG! Val, was that you? Ghost, can you push back over here? Can you get back over here? You want to take a counter assault element and go this way? Ghost, we're taking a counter assault element. Meet back at this fob right now. Right now, double time it. We need a few guys. Ghost, Val, we're going to be pushing off to your right to try to counter attack them. Yep. Alright, you guys ready?
Sure.
Alright, go that way. Keep going the other way, Ghost. Other way, Ghost. Go that way, go that way.
Point.
Yep, let's go. Take this way. Spread out. Forward, to the right. Watch that. We're pushing up to your right side. We're going really far. Hey, let's go back this way. Is it too tough over here? Hit! Shit.
Yeah.
Enemy truck up ahead, truck up ahead.
Clear away, RPG!
Oh, yeah, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead!
It's dead. No, it's not. They're shooting out of it.
Is it dead?
Go, run.
Double time
I don't know, it might be up. I thought I saw red, but I think they might still be up.
RPG, get him!
He's running. Hey, let's clear these buildings. Here, we'll cover you.
Yeah, that's what I said, we were gonna break off.
We're breaking off? Cool.
Well, I think we should start clearing these buildings.
Yeah. If we clear the buildings, get control,
Let's see, are they
we can
dropping
keep
off?
pushing off.
Let's see, where are they dropping off dudes?
They're not dropping off. They're going there, going cover to cover, trying to blast that area.
I know there's a lot of them in these woods. We could try pushing through the woods and help these guys take them out. Like now.
I want to go to the city, man.
Push the woods. We're first gonna push the woods and go all the way into the city.
And we're gonna die. I think we can take this first and then move in.
We're gonna get
There's so many fucking guys over here. If we can secure city at least, then we have a spot we can go and flank them around.
We could have just pushed and lit up every single bush.
I think we got enough guys over there. I said we get some
We're
dudes
gonna
in
push
city.
into city, try to clear city as much as we can. We got
Alright,
pretty good.
hopefully y'all boys know how to clear buildings. Let's go.
Hopefully I don't get ticks.
Just check yourself when you get home. You're probably gonna get some.
Well, how do I expect my back? I don't have a big ass.
Here.
It's right on 10 feet.
Alright. Hey, there's some guys over here. This side of the road. Marshall. Clear that, right?
That's not up. That's not up. Ghost, let's keep moving, man. Let's keep moving. Don't get stuck up on shit like that. I think we might be good in the city. We have a lot of friendlies patrolling through it, no problem.
There might be a couple stranglers out there.
Copy. Okay. We may have some guys towards the end of the town over there. You guys want to go start clearing the rest of the town and then push up to the city, to the rear? Yeah, looks like we got friendlies on it, right? Okay, you guys do that. I'm gonna help this bazooka team. Keep me updated. Should we have a lookout? Well, you can't really see much shit from here unless it's right on top of you, right?
Yeah, well, we want the shots to be accurate too.
Well, yeah.
So, we're gonna try.
Maybe up in the octagon right there. No? See the little bunker?
Yeah.
I think we should get up there. Because even if we don't hit it on the first time, we can just chase it.
We don't want the truck to know to aim at us. So the truck's gonna be shooting at bunker, and it's not gonna be focused on us.
Well, why don't we wait for it to roll past? Why don't we get down, wait for it to roll past, and then shoot it right in the ass? Because out here, I mean, sure, we could try to hit it, but we're right in the open. This is not stopping BBs at all. Plus, we can't really get low enough to the point where they can't see us. If someone's elevated, they're probably going to be able to see
How
us.
about we go, check it out, see if it's a good, like, shooting ports? Because if there's too much brush in the way, I can't shoot through it.
There's not, you'll be able to rush out the front door and then get right up on the road.
Right,
And we'll cover you. I'll fucking sacrifice myself for you to take that shit out.
I'd say we should scope it out, and we gotta wait once we see it.
Yeah, well, you guys know what you're doing. So. Yeah. I'm with you.
Alright, go back.
I'm worried about over there.
I don't know how quiet it is, but I don't think anything there.
Sure, there might be some scramblers, but they're not doing anything, so. How y'all boys doing with the objective over there? If they're taking shots, maybe try to double time it over here. I saw a movement in this bunker, but it's probably friendly.
Yeah.
See, you might be able to sneak right up in here.
They're too congested.
See, right up here?
Yeah.
That'd be a fucking goated spot.
Well, we have to stay at a minimum engagement distance because the trucks probably can come down.
Hey, green truck, over here, let's go. Hey, what's the exact pause on that green truck?
Where's green truck at?
Keep talking about it. Thought they were pointing that direction.
You're ready.
Cool.
That one looks legit.
Hey, there's not really a road. Well, there is one road over here, right? Hey, is that guy enemy?
What guy? Guy right there?
No, the guy behind him.
Roll by 10.
It's like dark as fuck.
Hey guys.
Whew. Watch your left.
Oh no!
Where's the fucking plate there?
Hey, I don't. Where the fuck is the vehicle gonna come from over here?
Vic's coming down this road. It'll be this road. That's it. It's either right or left. Right
This
on this
one?
split. Right on the split.
Okay, this is the only road right here that they
Yeah,
can drive
that's where
through.
it's coming from then.
I'm joining you guys. There's an ATV below
I
me.
need a
Hell
small
yeah.
team to do recon. We're going to try to see where the truck is, and we're going to try to see who we can take out. I need a small team. Hey, you good guy? I think he's green.
What's up? Trying to cram. Okay. Just checking in, make sure you're all right.
What do you see? Vehicle? Hey! Hey! Got it! Where the fuck is the bazooka dude?
Julian, get over here.
Julian, let's go! It's right here! It's right here! Julian, do you want to try to get in the trees or do you want to try to hit it here? Because it's right at this intersection up here.
It's coming. You good, boys?
Here, get in a little bit. If you get hit, let me shoot that.
Julian.
Gabe.
Hey, try to get it looking at this side.
It's not charged gas.
Fuck. Come on, boys, we gotta move.
Hey, load me. Load it. Come on.
Come on, boys.
Come on. On fire?
moving up. Back glass,
Take it
clear.
out.
Oh,
Fire.
it's too close. It's too close.
No, take it out.
All right, take it out.
Hey, is anyone in there dead or are they all, is it just cooked? Move up on it, start fucking firing. I start gooting up on it.
Hold on. He's talking to him. Don't waste your ammo.
Watch my right side, Ghost.
Yeah, I have a grenade.
Go at it. Fuck him.
Well, he hit it with his recoilless
Alright, ask
rifle.
him if it's down. Figure out if it's down.
Is it down?
Hey, Julian, is it down? Is it down?
Yeah, our commander told us it's a one hit.
Alright, is it down or what?
I think it's down.
You want to cook the guys on the outside of it? I say we get to the bushes to the right, cook the over standing outside of it.
That vehicle should be dead, right? No one can come out.
Let's go, 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 go. Get in there, get in, get in. Go, 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 go. Shit, my bad, dude.
Shit.
Fuck,
You
my
didn't
bad,
get hit,
dude.
right?
Go, you fucking.
No, you're good.
Shit,
Okay, you're not hit, right?
No, I'm not hit.
Alright, good.
hey, I think. Ghost, come on. Copy, I have a charger back to station. Take right side. Alright, let's go left first. Buddy aid?
Yep. It's a long bandage. Yep. My battery's low on my radio.
Quick little tip for these, cut them in half and then you got two.
I didn't even try to think of that.
That's what I do, so it's not so hard to put
Dude,
out.
I snuck up and I jumped on the fucking truck.
Give me your...
Right. You got the
Hey,
Did you hear it?
What?
The low voltage in my radio?
No.
Here, you'll listen to it again.
Hey, hold on, I gotta get this on you, dude. You sound like a good job, but... No fucking hold.
Yeah, we got radio. I'm getting healed right now.
Shit, hold on. Fucking didn't stick. Yeah, you really gotta cut these in half, they're way too long. Very unwieldy.
Alright. No, that's the side trail I took to get behind the truck.
Yeah, that's where I went too.
Alright, radio.
Shit, dude. Hey, is your boy good?
Dude, we took this area fast.
We had a good little firefight there. That was
Dude,
fun.
did you fucking see our guy with the big ass bazooka or whatever?
Yeah, I tried to hit it with my tag in, but it didn't work.
His didn't fire either, I think.
And then you have to put green gas in it and then they got
All
it.
them taxpayer dollars.
Well, that's not a bazooka technically. That's a Carol Gustav M3E1.
Dude,
Recoilless rifle.
Yes.
what is it called? When the truck emerged, dude, I took one other dude with me and we fucking ran behind the truck and flanked.
Hey, where are our boys? Where's Julian and Gabe?
I told them to surrender. If they didn't surrender, I would shoot them.
Julian and Gabe. Where's Julian and Gabe?
The RPG guy and the other guy with him.
Where's our boys?
Where are they? Where are they?
I don't know.
Julian!
Julian! Yes!
Did they just run missing, or are they just...
We might have got separated with them when we were in the firefight.
Well, one got
Thinking
hit by the
did
thing.
they die or something? Do they even have radios?
No.
No, they don't.
Okay, I might give them one.
That's why I was hoping for them to stay number.
Okay, I'm just gonna give them a radio.
Well, we're pushing real close to their spawn now. Are they at this fob up here? Or are they further? Yeah.
Down now, all the way to the left. Go up is
They're
where
on- they're at
all the
Haytown.
nets are.
Oh, they're at Haytown? Okay.
You're closer, a little closer in Haytown.
Yeah, like at the top of Haytown.
I'm gonna go in the shade, dude. Hey, come back. We're gonna go in the shade over here, dude.
Found my friend. I'm gonna go sit in the bush with him. Come back out of town.
Ah, fuck.
Let me just.
I purposely pushed it for one thing.
Hey, we're taking shots. Taking shots.
This field really has a tick problem. The only good bug is a dead bug.
Oh shit, there's not really a path
This
through
is
here,
the
there?
this is the path to back where we came from.
Then why the fuck are we taking it?
Hey, there's a small path right here that we can follow through.
I'm not doing all that. First left, we take it. Oh. We keep going this way? Yep, there we go. Ghost, you good? Are they straight ahead?
Yeah.
Contact, 12 o'clock. Watch out, watch out. Contact, contact. Right down there.
We'll be close together.
Keep moving, but let's spread out. Spread out, keep moving, spread out.
Stay there.
Hey, let's go push up to our teammate, spread out. At least 10 feet distance. Go, go, let's go. Don't line up for him either. Let's keep moving, see if we can loop around him. We're not gonna shoot shit through here. Come on. Shit. Where at? Just wanna try to go in this way? Loop around?
You can't.
That's Justin right there.
I don't know what happened to.
Hey, let's loop around. Let's loop around. Go this way. Ooh, where are they taking the shots from? If you want, we can keep going to the right. We're kind of on like a actual path now. Right side of Justin. Hey. Hey. 12 o'clock over here. You tan?